Hi, I'm Mike Abbey from IC Blinds. In this video today, I'm going to explain to you the process of adjusting the top limit and the bottom limit of your roller blind motors. Now this is really important because after a couple of weeks of the roller blinds in use, the limits are going to change slightly because the fabric's going to settle and you may need to make adjustments just to make sure everything is lining back up again perfectly. And there's a really simple way to do that. This roller blind motor, the unique channel that I used was channel 15. So let's go ahead and put it on channel 15. And what I'm going to do is just drive it down to the bottom limit because I'm going to show you the bottom limit first. So the limit that we want to change, we have to take it to that limit, which is right there. Now, what I need to do is just hold. So I'm on channel 15. I'm going to hold the stop and the down button together because it's the down limit that I want to change. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm holding both together, waiting for a response. And I've just got my response. Now I'm back in micro limit mode, so I can go jab, 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 jab. Make any little micro adjustments that you want to make. And once you're happy with where the limit is, we just need to reconfirm that limit. So once again, I'm going to hold the stop and the down button on the remote control. So let's go and do that and wait for a response. And that's the response. And now I've just made an adjustment to my bottom limit. So let's go ahead and make an adjustment to the top limit now. So once again, I'm back on channel 15. So only this motor is listening to that. And because we're now adjusting the top limit, we take it to the top limit, which is the limit that we want to adjust. And it's a very similar process. I'm going to now hold the stop and the up button together and wait for a response from the motor. Now we're back in micro limit mode. So if I want to go down a bit, up a bit, up a bit, up a bit, once I'm happy and I've got everything back in perfect alignment, I just need to confirm that limit now. So I'm just going to confirm it, I'm going to hold the stop and the up button together and wait for a response from the motor. Now the motor's just jogged and beeped, and that's the very simple process of adjusting both the up limit and the down limit of the roller blind motors. I'd like to thank you for watching.